Welcome to Avid Love, your destination for exquisite lingerie, celebrating 10 years of beauty and confidence. Discover our wide range of collections, from cozy pajama sets to stunning mini dresses. Find the perfect piece for every occasion. Stay ahead of the trends with our latest arrivals from July and June. Explore our newest lingerie, designed to make you feel fabulous. Whether you prefer embroidery, luxury satin, sheer mesh, or leather, Avid Love has the perfect lingerie to match your unique style. We celebrate every body. Explore our beautiful plus-size lingerie collection, designed for comfort and confidence. Browse our wide selection of bras, panties, corsets, and more. Find the perfect fit and style for your unique needs. Discover our exclusive collaborations with influencers and runways, bringing you the latest in lingerie fashion. Join our VIP program and save 20%. Enjoy free shipping on orders over $69 and hassle-free returns.